Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Here for the second project of the day, a second slow motor rebuild. I'm going to let you hear this motor. And it switches over. Hear that? Make that noise. So it's on slow right now. And I've already rebuilt one. That motor is already over there on the shelf. So I'm going to be using this slow motor rebuild kit for rebuilding upper slow motors. And as I said, this is the second one for the day. I'm going to be quiet here so that you can hear it. I'm gonna put this close so that when it stops turning, you'll hear it. Listen. All right, so there it is right there. Let's do it. We'll let you hear it one more time when when it slows down. And when your motor does this, you go ahead and rebuild it. Watch when it drops, you're gonna hear and it'll be bouncing. This little spindle part right here will be bouncing. Right here, listen. You heard it that time, didn't you? Okay, so I'm gonna cut that. I'm gonna cut that out by rebuilding that slow motor. Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, doing it up in the shop on today. Beautiful rainy day. I'll show you. 12:43, but it's raining outside. Let me I used to be able to ask Alexa what the temperature is, but I think my grandson came in and swiped my Alexa. It's gone. Alexa, what's the current temperature? It ain't in here no more. Gotta talk to my grandson. Get my Alexa back. Make him come plug it back up too. All right, so let me get busy. Got more work to do. Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Woo! Peace out.